Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chignon, and in this video I'll be showing us two methods of achieving a low bun bridal hairstyle. It's called Chignon. So stay tuned in this video and pay attention to the video. You would understand everything, and I'll write down the ones that I need to write down, so please pay more attention. I'll reduce the talking so that you concentrate on the video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. I really appreciate this. It's a huge encouragement. If this is your first time being on this channel, please like and comment on this post, share to your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for our subsequent content. This is a family and you're welcome to this family. If you have any reservations, questions, and anything at all, just leave it on the comment section below and we'll attend to it ASAP. And this is the rolling method. This is very beginner friendly. This is friendly when you have a long hair, like a long attachment or a long wig that you need to work on and you find it hard to talk. The rolling method comes in play.